First thing I want to talk about a little bit what is underinsured motorist coverage, which is something that many people have and maybe don't know they have it, or people may not have it and don't realize that they probably do want to have it. Um, it it comes up in the context of your auto insurance. Policies in the state of Missouri require uninsured motorist coverage, which means that if you are in a motor vehicle accident with somebody who does not have insurance of any kind, or if their insurance denies coverage to them, they you will recover actually against your own insurance company, and that's uninsured motorist coverage. And it's actually mandated that policies in the state of Missouri require at least $25,000 worth of uninsured motorist coverage. Underinsured motorist coverage is basically sometimes described as gap coverage. And so, for example, if you have a $100,000 auto policy and you are in an accident with somebody who only has $25,000 worth of insurance, they will, and if they cause a serious injury to you, your claim may be worth more than that $25,000. So you are entitled to recover against their insurance for the limit of their policy of $25,000, and you have to exhaust their policy, meaning you have to use up their entire policy limit under their policy, and then you can go and ask your insurance company for underinsured motorist coverage to make up the difference between that $25,000 and the $100,000 available to you under your policy. There are certain offsets that apply to that under certain circumstances, and there are certain situations where you don't necessarily need to require the entire $25,000 yourself. For example, if 3 people are hurt in the accident and you divide the policy up, 10, 10, and 5, even though you've only got the $10,000, because that entire $25,000 was used up, you're entitled then to get underinsured motorist coverage. But it's not required in the state of Missouri. Your insurance company does not have to sell it to you, but I would highly recommend that you purchase it. It's not a huge expense added on to your auto coverage, and it protects you in the event that you are injured by somebody who has a minimum policy or has a policy that has a limit less than yours. So if you have $250,000 and they have $100,000, that provides you that additional protection, usually only up to the limit of what yours is. So you're not able to recover your full policy and their full policy, but you are able to recover the amount up to your policy. It basically replaces it so that you would recover what you would otherwise be entitled to anyway.